Joining the local gym.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hello. I want to join this gym.
That's great. Do you exercise often?
No, I'm a total beginner.
No problem at all. We have many new members.
What classes do you have?
We have yoga, dance, and morning cardio.
Is the yoga class difficult?
Not at all. It's very relaxing.
When is the first class?
It's on Monday at 6 o'clock.
That's perfect. I finish work at 5.
Do you like lifting weights too?
I'm not sure I want to try it.
We can show you how to use the machines.
Thanks. That's very helpful.
Do you want a monthly membership?
How much does it cost?
It's $40 a month.
Does that include the pool?
Yes, you can use the pool anytime.
I love swimming. That's excellent.
We also have a sauna.
Oh, I like saunas after a workout.
Me too. It's very good for your muscles.
Can I sign up right now?
Of course, I just need your ID.
Here it is. I'm excited to start.
Taking photos in the park.
Wow, that's a very professional camera.
Thanks. I take it everywhere with me.
Do you take a lot of photos?
Yes, photography is my favorite hobby.
What do you like to photograph?
Mostly nature and flowers.
The flowers in this park are beautiful today.
They really are. Look at these red ones.
Can I see the picture you just took?
Sure. Here, look at the screen.
That's amazing. The colors are so bright.
Thank you. I'm still learning.
Is it a new camera?
No, I bought it, used online.
It looks brand new to me.
I take very good care of it.
I want to start taking photos too.
You should. It's really fun.
But cameras are very expensive.
You can use your phone first.
My phone camera isn't very good.
It doesn't matter. Practice is more important.
That's true. I can practice today.
Look, there's a squirrel over there.
Oh, stay still. Don't scare it.
I'm going to try to get a photo.
Good luck. It's moving very fast.
I got it. It looks so cute.
Baking cookies together.
Are you ready to bake these cookies?
Yes, I'm really hungry for something sweet.
Do we have all the ingredients?
Let me check the list.
We need flour, sugar, and butter.
Okay, we have all of those.
What about the chocolate chips?
They are in the cupboard.
Great. Can you turn on the oven?
Sure. What temperature do we need?
Set it to 180 degrees.
Done. Now, where is the big bowl?
It's right here on the table.
Thanks. I'll mix the butter and sugar.
Don't forget the egg.
Oh, right. I almost forgot.
Do you bake often, Julie?
Only on the weekends. It's relaxing.
I agree. I love the smell of the kitchen.
Now let's add the flour slowly.
I can do that for you.
Thanks. Now add the chocolate chips.
This dough looks delicious.
Don't eat it yet. It needs to bake.
I know.
How long do they stay in the oven?
Only about 12 minutes.
Perfect. I'll make some coffee now.
Playing video games.
Is it my turn to play?
Just one more minute. I'm almost at the end.
You said that 10 minutes ago?
Sorry, this level is really hard.
Watch out. There's a monster behind you.
Oh no, where? I don't see it.
On the left, jump now.
Phew, that was close. Thanks.
Do you like this game?
Yeah, it's my favorite adventure game.
I prefer racing games.
Racing games make me feel stressed.
Really? I find them very exciting.
Okay, I finished the level. Your turn.
Finally, pass me the controller.
Do you want to play a different game?
Let's play a game together on the same team.
Good idea. Let's play the soccer game.
I'm ready. Which team do you want?
I'll be the blue team.
Okay, I'm the red team then.
Wait, I thought we were on the same team.
Oh, you're right. Let's play against the computer.
That's better. We are a great team.
I'm going to score a goal.
Go for it. I'll pass you the ball.
Yes, I scored.
Nice shot. Let's do it again.
Planning the garden.
The weather is so nice today.
It's a perfect day for gardening.
What should we plant this year?
I want to grow some tomatoes.
Good idea. Fresh tomatoes taste great.
Do we have enough sun in this spot?
Yes, the sun is here all afternoon.
What about some flowers?
I'd love some yellow roses.
Roses are beautiful, but they are difficult.
That's okay. I can take care of them.
Do we have any seeds?
I bought some yesterday at the shop.
Great. I have the shovel in the garage.
We need more soil too.
I'll go buy some this afternoon.
Should we plant some carrots?
Carrots are easy to grow. Let's do it.
My grandmother loved gardening.
It's a very healthy hobby.
It's also a lot of work.
I don't mind. I like being outside.
Me too. It's better than watching TV.
Can you help me move these pots?
Of course. They are quite heavy.
Just move them to the corner, please.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Let's start digging.
Talking about a new book.
What are you reading, Ben?
It's a new mystery novel.
Is it any good?
Yes, it's very interesting. I can't put it down.
Who is the author?
I don't remember his name, but he's famous.
Is the story set in London?
No, it's set in a small town in Italy.
Oh, I love stories set in Italy.
Me too. The descriptions are very nice.
Are you near the end?
No, I'm only on chapter 5.
Don't tell me what happens.
I don't know what happens yet.
I usually read on my tablet.
I prefer real paper books.
Why is that?
I like the smell of the pages.
That's true. It feels more traditional.
Do you want to borrow it later?
Yes, please. I need a new book.
I usually finish a book in 1 week.
You are a very fast reader.
I read every night before bed.
I try to read, but I always fall asleep.
This book will keep you awake.
I hope so. I like scary stories.
This one isn't scary, but it's very tense.
Learning the guitar.
How is the guitar practice going?
It's hard. My fingers really hurt.
That's normal in the beginning.
I can't play this C chord correctly.
Let me see. Move your finger up a bit.
Like this?
Yes, exactly. Now try to play it.
That sounds much better.
See, you just need to practice every day.
I try to practice for 20 minutes.
That's a good amount of time.
Do you play any instruments?
I play the piano a little bit.
Wow, the piano is beautiful.
It is, but the guitar is easier to carry.
That's true. I can take it to the park.
Can you play a whole song yet?
Only one very simple song.
Which one is it?
It's a folk song from my country.
Can you play it for me now?
I'm a bit embarrassed.
Don't be. I'm your friend.
Okay. I will try. Please don't laugh.
I won't laugh, I promise.
Here goes.
That was actually really good, Mia.
Thanks. Maybe I'll keep practicing after all.
Preparing for a hike.
Are you ready for our hike?
Almost. I'm looking for my boots.
They are by the front door.
Oh, thanks. I see them now.
Did you pack your water bottle?
Yes, I have 2 liters of water.
Good. It's going to be a hot day.
Do we need a map?
I have one on my phone.
Is there a signal on the mountain?
Probably not. I'll download it now.
That's a smart idea.
Are those shoes comfortable?
Yes, I wore them all last summer.
We are walking for 5 hours today.
5 hours? That's a long time.
Don't worry. The view is worth it.
Is it a steep climb?
Only at the beginning.
Should I bring a jacket?
Yes, it's cold at the top.
Okay, I'll put it in my bag.
Do we have any snacks?
I have some apples and nuts.
Perfect. I have some sandwiches too.
I think we are finally ready.
Let's go then. The sun is out.
I'm looking forward to this.
Painting in the park.
Your painting is very pretty.
Thank you. It's a work in progress.
I love the colors you're using.
I'm trying to match the color of the sky.
You need more light blue, I think.
You're right. I'll mix it with white.
Is painting your main hobby?
Yes, I do it every Saturday.
I can't even draw a straight line.
It's not about lines. It's about feelings.
That sounds very poetic.
Well, it makes me feel very calm.
How long does a painting take?
This one will take 3 hours.
Do you sell your paintings?
No, I just give them to my friends.
That's very kind of you.
Do you want to try the brush?
Oh no, I might ruin it.
You can't ruin it. It's just paint.
Maybe another time.
Look at that tree over there.
The one with the orange leaves?
Yes, I'm going to paint that next.
It will look great in this light.
I hope so. The light is changing fast.
I'll let you work in peace now.
Thanks for stopping by to chat.
Watching the big match.
Come on, kick the ball.
He's too slow today.
I don't agree. He's the best player.
Maybe last year, but not now.
What is the score?
It's 0-0. Very boring.
Just wait. The second half is better.
I hope so. I want to see a goal.
Are you a big fan of this team?
Yes, since I was a little boy.
My father loves them too.
Look, he's running toward the goal.
Pass it. Pass the ball.
Oh, he missed it.
I can't believe it. That was so close.
The goalie is very good today.
Do you want some more chips?
Yes, please. And a drink, too.
Here you go. Sit down. You're missing it.
How much time is left?
Only 10 minutes.
This match is very exciting now.
I'm getting nervous.
Me too. I really want them to win.
Look, a penalty.
This is it. He has to score.
He did it. Goal.
Amazing. What a great game.